Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger Channel.
Welcome to the Disney Stranger Channel!
Oh my gosh, Brawl, guys. Brawl is here.
What's
Where
up,
did you
Disney
come
Stranger?
from?
I walked through the entrance.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
so did I. What a
I used my band and they let me in.
Wow, this is awesome. Hey, you know what? It's the Wine and Food Festival today,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, Wine and Food. Right there. Okay. All right, we're gonna check this Wine and Food Festival out. It's after 4. So the theme of this vlog today is gonna be Epcot Wine and Food after 4, right?
After 4 here at Epcot, beautiful.
And it's closed at 9, so we got the next 5 hours to eat, drink, check out what we can do on this evening here at the Wine and Food Festival. Right, Rob?
That's amazing. Let's do this.
Let's go, guys. Come join us. Let's have fun. So Rob, I hear that they've changed Soarin' around. What exactly have they done with Soarin'?
I heard that too. In fact, it's not even of the world.
Oh,
Somewhere
no?
else. No,
No?
They're bringing it home.
They're bringing it home.
They're bringing it home.
Are they coming back to California?
West Coast.
Yes, we're gonna do Soarin' around California.
That's right.
Right?
Soarin' over California.
But since it's a Wine and Food Festival, while we're waiting in line, why don't we grab a beer before?
Let's get something to drink.
It's not officially the Wine and Food Festival here,
No.
but
Yeah, that's 45-minute wait
We're
in
in Rome.
line. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
let's go do
Do what
it.
Epcot does.
I'm gonna get the High Line IPA. What are you getting?
Yingling, here we go.
We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information.
Rich, we're here.
Where are we? We are on Soarin', California.
Oh man, I can't wait. It's been so many years since I've been on this. Let's check this out.
Here we go.
Soarin' to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Mickey and Goofy are back there. We gotta go check them out, right?
And you know, I heard they were waiting for us to come in and greet us.
Yeah, let's go check them out.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, Mickey and Goofy. So Epcot has a new Fest Center right there in front of us, right next to Journey to Imagination. We're gonna have some concerts and some festival fun things to do here in the future. Almost done. They're just putting the paint on the buildings, guys.
I see that it's wet still.
So Raw, I've been coming to the Wine and Food Festival now for about 23 years.
Oh, that's awesome.
And yet one of the things I really came away with is discovering my favorite wine. And Australia has one of my favorite wines. It's very hard to get. It's called the right there.
Yeah.
It's very
From
close.
South Australia.
Yes. It's very close to a Sauvignon Blanc, but it's very dry, and I really love this. And I'm going to try the Y series. I love it. So raw. This is one of my favorite. Viognier.
Oh, it smells pretty.
I've had this before, and this is one of my favorite wines because I like white wine. It's very dry, very floral and scent, you just said, right?
Yes.
His first time having it. I'm going to try this again. I haven't had this type of wine in a while because it's hard to find. Light.
Good
crisp.
choice, stranger.
Yeah. Do you like it? Seriously,
I love it,
I mean, yeah.
No,
It's truly one of my favorite white wine. It's great for like a summer, spring day. You're out on the back porch having lunch or breakfast or brunch. There we go. This is a great brunch wine, I think.
Hanging with the buds,
Yeah.
the family.
This is the way to go. Great.
Thank you, Australia.
Yes, thank you.
How are you enjoying your dinner?
I'm enjoying it very much. I don't know if you noticed, but the Disney Stranger doesn't eat red meat that often, but he does make exceptions on occasion.
Okay.
And this is one of the exceptions because I do love filet mignon.
Okay.
And this is my once or twice during the year that I do eat my filet mignon here at the Canadian Pavilion, and I'm about to try it right now. Right here, look at this. I got a piece right there.
Filet mignon.
It's been a long time.
Rare occasion.
Yes,
Go
maybe,
for it.
It's been about a year and a half actually since I last had it. It's melting in my mouth, dude.
You like it?
This is
Love it.
amazing.
Love it.
For just being at one of his kiosks here.
Yeah, the
at Epcot,
kiosk at Epcot.
They did a really good job. It's like medium rare and exquisite. I really do like this.
And I picked up the bacon cheddar soup with the bread.
How's that?
Oh,
Like the
man.
Pretzel bread, right?
Pretzel bread. Incredible!
Oh, awesome.
Thank you, Canada. Oh, Canada.
Hey, well, we can't forget about the Collective Arts brewery they have, the lager, which I'm going to try right now. Crisp, refreshing. This is awesome. I love it. Collective Arts.
Collective Arts. Yes.
It's a independent brewing company in Canada, and it's pretty cool. And it washes down the filet mignon sweetly. It's really good.
To the stranger. Allison, I made it. To Kilkenny.
Can I get a wine and a
Look at that, guys.
One wine, one pudding.
Some Kilkenny cream ale. Come on, Roll, we got a drink in our phone booth, right? Well, let me in, let me in.
Kilkenny it is. Cheers, stranger.
I'm in Paris, guys, here at the French Pavilion at Epcot. And I got a nice red wine. I'm not gonna butcher the name of it, but you can read it down below. I'm gonna put it right there if you can read at the bottom. This is the name of the wine. And I've been to France, I've been to Disneyland Paris, and I needed a good French wine. So I got one here, let me give it a try. Screams Paris. This is awesome. I love this wine. This is what it's like to be here at the Wine and Food Festival at Epcot. Amazing. Look at those sweet pours that Elizabeth is pouring. Look at that. That is so awesome. We got a beer flight going here. Thank you, Amanda.
I got the beef sandwich from the American Pavilion. Check it out.
That looks delish.
Whoa!
What's the sauce?
Au jus.
Ooh, au juice.
Flight.
It's flight time here at the American Pavilion. And I got my beer flight. And we're gonna start off with this beer right here, which is the Road Dreamland American Lager from Ashland, Oregon, right here. We're gonna give this a try. Nice. Very nice, refreshing lager. Very good. Thumbs up for this one. Great lager. The second one I'm going to try is Goose Island Beer Company Neon Beer Hug. I know my brother-in-law, Whitey Major, would love this beer hug because he's a beer hug kind of guy. Of course, Goose Island is from Chicago and it's owned by Anheuser-Busch. And it's very, it's got a tropical flavor to it. And it's pretty good. It's drinkable. It's got a nice drinkable taste. Left Hand Brewing Company's Sawtooth Amber Ale. A nice, rich amber ale. Give this a try. Out of the 3 beers, this one's the best. Love this amber ale. Nice, rich, caramely kind of taste. Great for beer drinkers. Bottoms up. So, Raw, you had a revelation about the Italian beef that you had?
I did. So the sandwich was excellent. It's just that after I was eating it a while, there's some spice in it.
Was that good or bad? Is that
very
good?
good?
It's very good.
Very
You
good.
like the kick?
And when you dipped it in the sauce, oh!
Wow. So Rhiannon, what's this place called again?
Brewing Lab.
Brewing Lab. Do you like the pickled milkshake?
It's pretty sweet. It mostly tastes like dill.
Yes.
It's a vanilla base with a dill flavoring.
Do you like it personally?
I'm more of a fan of the fusion.
That's fine. That's fine.
It's fun. It's a fun thing to try.
It's a fun thing to try?
I think I try it and like I drink it, I like it. I think it's fun.
Are you glad that you're working here that you can drink as many as you want?
We can't, but I drink it in spirit.
Oh, you drink it in spirit, yes. Thank you, Zoe. Thank you, Rihanna.
It's very pretty. It's very pretty.
It is. So, Raw, we are at the Muppet Labs here at Epcot, right? And they've created, Beaker and Honeydew have created this monstrosity.
Yeah,
What's this
pickles.
called?
It says pickles.
A pickled milkshake, right?
Pickled milkshake. Let's dive into
What?
this.
That's weird. That's so weird, dude.
We got dill. We got whipped cream. Kind of like a minty looking ice cream, as you can see.
Kind of like a Shamrock Shake,
Yeah,
right?
it's a plastic holder. Let's dive into this. Here we go, guys.
Exactly. Exactly.
But you know what? It's got a sweetness to it, which is really good. It's not bitter or anything. It's actually vanilla ice cream with some.
Oh, vanilla ice cream, really? So he's going for this.
But I have to say, it has a nice texture. It's not bad. It's a sweet shake. You
Yeah.
got a shake.
Yeah.
Delicious.
So I got the chicken marsala right before I made it to the Muppet Labs. We're here at the Muppet Labs, but before I got here, I stopped by India because I'm a big fan of Indian food. I love Indian food, and this is the chicken marsala, and I'm gonna give it a taste here. It looks great, and I got a great portion. This is an awesome, like, out of all the portions I've seen tonight, this is definitely the biggest one. And here we go for a try. If you love Indian food, it's spicy, and it's got a great kick to it, but it's not over the top. It's really amazing. I love this. I love Indian food. This is definitely a good choice because you get a great portion here. Give it a try. This is what Epcot is all about.
Oh, good thinking, Beaky. Everyone loves carrots with their wings.
So Richard, Josie just gave you what? What did she give you?
Yes, we are the official taste testers here at Epcot of 2023. This card entitles the bearer to all the rights and privileges of an official taste tester.
That's you, right?
That's a pickle drink.
Thank you, Josie.
Including, but not limited to, brain freeze,
Did you get that?
spicy mouth burn, pickle puckering, and a feeling of immense pride in achieving taste testing excellence.
Wow.
I did achieve this.
Treat ourselves to a taste of the
Thank you, Josie. Did you like it? You don't like it?
Expect more than this from us.
Thanks again, everyone, for joining Raw and myself, the Disney Stranger, here at the Wine and Food Festival for this before closing Epcot Wine and Food Festival
2023.
There we go. We were here. Had
Amazing.
So much fun. Yes.
What was your favorite food, the stranger?
My favorite food was India. I love the marsala. I love Indian food. That's great. I love that kind of stuff. This is what the International Wine and Food Festival is all about.
Absolutely. Canada was my favorite, the filet mignon.
Yeah, the filet mignon was awesome. Yes, I would say it was done very good for being at a kiosk at the Wine and Food Festival. It was done really good. I really appreciated it.
Absolutely.
What was your favorite drink, Ron?
And I'm gonna say I got the pickle shake, cleaned up the glass.
Yeah, you cleaned it up. Wow, that's
And
awesome.
it was delicioso.
I had a sip of it. It was interesting. I would.
You know what's
definitely
interesting
say,
about it? What? It had dill in it.
Yeah, dill.
Have you ever had a drink with dill in it?
Never had a drink with dill in it. It was pretty. It was different. If you come to the Wine and Food Festival, you got to try the dill drink out.
Try the dill shake. Delicious. I think all of them are delicious, really.
Yeah, definitely. You got to check this guy. You got to check this out, guys. So we're headed out. We're gonna get in the car. We're gonna pick up Mrs. Stranger from the airport because she's on her way down here.
Yay!
So,
and everyone, don't forget, right?
right, don't forget.
Don't forget, you guys, don't forget.
Don't forget
to walk forward!
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.